Noodle-alert! 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 Noodle-alert!
Oh my God! They killed Kenny! You bastard!
Somebody get this freaking duck away from me!
Now, Mr. Evil.
Dr. Evil. I didn't spend 6 years in evil medical school to be called Mr. Thank you very much.
Strange things are afoot at the Circle K.
If you try to hold my hand, I'll slug you.
You see, we're on a mission from God.
Surely you can't be serious.
I am serious. And don't call me Shirley.
Put that freaking sandwich down.
Are you out of your fucking mind?
Well, they encourage your complete cooperation. Send you roses when they think you need to smile. I can't control myself because I don't know how. When they love me for it, honestly, I'll be here for a while. So give them blood, blood.
You really are out of your fucking mind!